What's up? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence in 2020. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand your social circle. Look, if you're someone who could expand your social circle for personal and or professional reasons to make you happier as a human being, to benefit your business as an entrepreneur mom, well, look, then this video that's part of my 31-day 2020 Entrepreneur Mom Reboot series is just for you. Let's give you a boost, mama, okay? So, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed with your business's presence online today. Entrepreneur mom, let's learn how to expand your social circle. Yes, this involves networking, but I've got some great tricks to help you with networking in real life, digitally, or both. You can never know too many people. You can never have too many friends, and you can never have too many customers because, look, that means you have a successful business and not a hobby, so once you need help, you hire it and you grow an empire that your family can inherit. Networking is a key that unlocks the door to success. So if you want to get serious in 2020 and work your business like a business, because then it's more likely to pay you like a business, then you want to watch all of this series. Otherwise, if you treat your business like a hobby, it'll pay you like a hobby if it even pays you or is profitable at all. So over the course of this 31-day series, I'll show you how to do everything from psych out self-sabotage to dealing with hardcore rejection. You'll learn how to get out of your comfort zone, and you'll also learn how to select a network, even from scratch, that won't just benefit you professionally, but personally too. If you missed the last video, you should watch it because I shared with you how to enjoy your busy life and actually have fun along the way of being so busy, and I showed you how to do it in 5 steps, no less. So you'll want to check that video out. But here we're talking about how to expand your social circle through intelligent networking. This isn't, two-dimensional work that you do. There's a third dimension to it where you're not just going for quantity, but the right kind of quality for yourself, personally and or professionally. What do I mean? First, let's start with why that resonates with you as an individual and for the good of your family. You need to know what that is before you begin. It's the foundation for the house of networking and business success, okay? The very next thing you need to know is the why of your ideal customer or niche. You have to be very solid on their needs and or wants and how your business's goods and or services can help them achieve a life where they're living more in harmony with their why too. If you don't know how to find out what these items are, you might just want to visit this video that I created right here. Second, you need to know what direction you want your life to go in as an entrepreneur mom. And you know what helps you to do that? Knowing your SMART goals, which are set in such a way that they create actionable plans for you to follow in order to achieve those goals so that you're living more in harmony with your why personally and professionally. And honestly, if you need help on that front, I did a video on this topic that should be a big help to you too. Third, once you have your why and goals and plans in place, then you'll realize for sure by then that you can't do everything on your own. You'll need support, help, solutions, and more from your dream team that can help you to achieve your personal and professional goals. And oftentimes you can get assistance for free, if not inexpensively. If you don't know what a dream team is or how to get one, especially if you're not exactly surrounded by a bunch of winners in your life right now, then you most definitely want to visit a video I created that introduces the dream team concept right here. In short, various members of your dream team will serve various functions, but taken as a whole, they should mentor you, inspire you, support you, and help you in any way imaginable. No woman is an island. It takes a village to create a successful powerhouse entrepreneur mom success. So if you're martyring yourself on the cross of, I'll get it all done myself, I just can't ask someone to help me, then my response to that is get down off the cross, Felicia. You need the wood to build the house of your successful life, okay? Granted, having a dream team and or a thriving social circle, either or both, may not be easy to do given your current situation. Maybe you're convinced that there's no way for you to network your way into a healthier, happier, more successful circle of influence. That's why you should take up target practice, so to speak, to start shooting for the bullseye that is the winner circle of the life you want to live. One that's more in harmony with your why, so that you're happy personally and able to be a successful entrepreneur mama who can create products and or services that can help her customers live out their best why too. So let's start with the basics. Relationships are the key to success in anything. If you're surrounded by nastiness or a bunch of human beings that are collectively serving as a celebration of inappropriateness, the longer you work towards your why, the more inclined you'll be to replace the Franks that you currently have with a new set of Franks. Oh wait, don't know what I mean by Franks? It's an acronym that commonly stands for friends, relatives, acquaintances, neighbors, kids' parents, and spousal connections. But I like to add in there things like coworkers, past and or present too. So if your current set of Franks is just awful, then you have to network in such a way that you move from the outer rings of the target, that is life, to the center where the coveted bullseye of desirable contacts are. You either must find a way or make one, as the saying goes, because honestly, when your why is so real to you that you can practically taste it, you've got all of the leverage necessary for you to network your way out of the circle of influence you're already in, if necessary, to a new and improved one. Or if your circle of influence in whole or in part is fine, that's great, but if it's kind of small, you need to add more contacts to it in order to expand your social circle, just for more friends and fun, if not also to get more leads, clients, and or customers too. So once you have your why and your niche's why solidified, it can help guide who you're trying to meet, say the Franks of your Franks, in order to get some fresh new friends, prospects, or both into your world. See, your why and your niche's why should help you to narrow the field down to who you need to be networking with, what they're likely to be doing, and or what you need to be doing in order to come across them and break the ice or meet up with them and so on. You'll also likely have a better idea of when it's better to approach them, where you'll find them, and you'll likely have to sooner or later get out of your comfort zone to find them or encounter enough of them. And you'll also learn how you should best go about making connections with them. This may involve you going places in real life or online or both where you normally wouldn't go at all or often. This may involve you doing things you have little to no experience with yet anyway. This might cause you to stretch and grow as a person, but that's all for the best, right? So you might have to travel to new neighborhoods. You might need to search online to find a meetup in real life and go. You might be joining Facebook groups, more of them anyway. In fact, you should definitely go where you believe your customers hang out to learn more about them. Connect with them on a friendly level where you're a value adder and not spamming people with links or invitations to PM or private message you about your business, your offerings, etc. Believe me, if you say optimize your banner on your Facebook personal timeline so that it shows what you do and let's say also contains an opt-in link too, and you're networking in a Facebook group, just being sociable or a value adder, answering questions, but nothing more up front, you just know that people will look you up on Facebook and see your banner. If they like you, if you've earned enough of their trust, they might just opt in right away, friend you on Facebook, or both. If you're a value adder on Instagram comment threads, same thing, except there someone's visiting your bio to learn more about you, and there's the link to your opt-in right there, if you're smart. If not your website, it's not your website. It has to be your opt-in. Capture your leads for your email list, and then they're yours forever unless they unsubscribe. Plus, you meet real people in real life socially, even if it's straight up for social purposes. If you've optimized your social media accounts, then they can follow you and see what you're all about. It's a great way to connect socially, of course, but you never know. You could do good business too. And if you need to recruit someone for your dream team, this is a great methodology to employ too, especially if you can't find any at first blush around you. This sort of networking, both in person and online, will cause you to stretch, grow, and open up your horizons. Start today to dare yourself on a daily basis to get out of your comfort zone and meet more people digitally or in person or both, and see what Franks you should be bothering with, where those relationships may just be more conducive to reaching and or living out your why. And prepare yourself as you grow and change. Those who used to surround you that were negative influences will drop away, or you'll find yourself backing away from them and deleting them from your life. It's natural. It's part of the process. You have to cut out the dead weight. You can't marinate in misery. You can't drown yourself in Debbie Downers. You can't get distracted by drama. You're a mother, so you've got enough going on as it is before you even get to the entrepreneur side of things, right? But out with the old, in with the new. You've got to even sometimes give up the good to go for the great. Give yourself both personally and professionally a relationship upgrade by networking to expand your social circle, both in real life and digitally today. What I want you to come away from this video with is that your vibe attracts your tribe. Once you get your why and the why of your niche down pat and you begin setting goals that transform into positive plans, well, that vibe of yours will start changing on its own. Plus, you're going to be putting out more concerted effort into it too. If you're rebooting your life personally, professionally, or both, you might realize along the way that you need more than just a tweaking of your inner circle or tribe. You might need to find a different tribe altogether. That means you have to send out a very different vibe, go very different places, do very different things, and hang out, both in real life and online, in very different groups of humanity. You're narrowing your focus from the outer rings of the target of your life to the innermost ring where the bullseye of life, the life of your dreams, awaits. Not everyone's gonna make the journey with you. It's all right. Stay strong, mama. Persistently and consistently keep networking every chance you get Have it be an initial goal of making 10 new contacts a day, but keep building from there. And keep your circle of influence growing, changing, evolving, and leveling up until you're standing in the winner's circle of life as you want to live it, enjoying that awesome why of yours. You may not be there at this moment, but if you sharpen your focus, you'll hit that target where you need to. You need never stay stuck where you are. Now, make sure you hit that notification bell, because in the next video of this series, I'll share with you how to optimize your life for best success as an entrepreneur mom with a concept called Success Central. And I mean this sincerely. This could just change your life for the better, all in one video. You don't want to miss that video. So if you're interested in learning about all of that, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can follow along with that video and the entire series. In the meantime, make sure you check out these two awesome videos as well. I talk a lot about social media, content marketing, entrepreneurship for moms who have to juggle home and business, online marketing, so many different topics. So make sure you're also checking out these two videos as well. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel a lot when you do this. So I'd highly appreciate it. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.